Hello students, in our last video we studied about illness, that why do we fall sick, what happens when germs enter into our body and how does our body react to it. We saw the condition of fever. Okay, now today we are going to study first aid. What is first aid? Students, if somebody got injured or ill, then that person has to be taken to hospital or to a doctor. But before taking that person to hospital or to a doctor, the immediate help which is given to that person so that he could get some relief is a first aid. First aid is an immediate help that is given to a person who is suffering from illness or injury before he or she is taken to a hospital. Okay, first aid is very important because it prevents the injury from getting worse, and sometimes it may also save life. It is said that prevention is better than cure. Students, if somebody is ill or somebody met with an accident, then that person has to take cure, that person has to take a treatment, medicines. But that this prevention is even better than treatment. If we will take prevention, then such accidents will never happen and there would be no need of treatments. So prevention is better than cure. So it is always advisable that we must act carefully to avoid accidents. What are the causes of accidents? Fire. And what are the causes of fire? The first cause of fire is carelessness while handling matchsticks or firecrackers or candles. To avoid fires from matchsticks or firecrackers, students also always like to firecrackers, but while uh, firing crackers, students must never wear synthetic or nylon clothes. Instead, cotton clothes should be students should wear cotton clothes in place of synthetic or nylon clothes. Why is it so? Because synthetic or nylon clothes always catch fire easily. And children, you must always be very careful while handling match, lighting candle or wick of firecracker. And still if fire is there, then what first aid could be given? That wound should be kept under running water or ice should be applied, and then antiseptic cream or calamine lotion. There is one more reason for fire: electric faults. If electric faults are there, then water should never be used to extinguish fire. Why? Because water is a good conductor of electricity. If we will put water over the fire due to electric faults, then current will start flowing through that water and it may worsen the condition. So if you are if there is any chipped wires or wires without plastic cover or faulty switches or sparks, anything like that, then the main switch should be turned off immediately. Electrician should be called and the electric appliances should be regularly checked. These are the precautions. And what first aid should be given? If the burn is minor, then washing under cool water, applying antiseptic cream or baking soda can be given. And if blisters appear, then we must never prick the blisters, and we must let the blisters like that only. After some time they will burst on their own, and that area has to be cleaned with cotton or antiseptic cream. This is the first aid. Well, there is one more reason for fire, which is the leakage in cooking gas, leakage of cooking gas. So what precaution should be taken? We must always keep checking the knobs. If we are leaving the room, then we must check that if the knobs are properly closed. Still, if the leakage is there, then the windows and the doors should be opened so that the gas could move away of the room. And in such condition, no lighting of match should be done there, because it may the electric spark should be avoided in such condition, because it may cause fire. And still if the fire is there, then the person who has caught fire should be wrapped with a thick blanket. Why with a thick blanket? Because blanket will cut off the air inside, and because the oxygen supply will get cut, the fire will extinguish. And after then that person should be asked to roll on the floor, and sand or fire extinguisher can be used. Fire extinguisher or sand can also be used if the fire is there because of petrol or kerosene. So students, these are the reasons of fire. In our coming videos we will study further about first aid.